Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete your Google Lens history. Please make sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't miss out on any important information. In saying that, let's dive in. So first things first, open up your web browser, type in activity.google.com in the search bar, and then click on enter. And make sure you sign into the right account where you want to delete your Google Lens history. And then scroll down where it says filter by date and product, click on delete, click on always, and then here you'll have a list of all your apps that you can delete the history. But in our case, click on select all to deselect all the apps, and then reselect Google Lens, and then click on to next, and then click on delete. Click on OK as it says deletions completed. And yeah, that's how you delete your Google Lens history. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you found this tutorial helpful.